Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. So today here I'm with another website to earn money online by doing simple tasks and very small jobs that you have to complete it within minutes or seconds and earn money online. So come on guys, let's start off with the video. Now this is the website microworkers.com, and if you are thinking whether it is legit or scam, this is legit guys. There is no scam in this website. You can earn money really. So the task that here they have listed is really quick guys. You don't have to spend a lot of hours doing it. It's just going to take minutes or seconds to finish it off, because the task will be something like liking something in social media or signing up to offers or doing sign up with some other websites and writing reviews, so something like that. It is very simple. I'll be walking you through the process. So I'll be showing you all the things starting from signing up to everything. I'll be also attaching a payment proof, so make sure you stay till the end so that you will be able to see that payment proof, which I'm going to show you guys. Now as you can see, they are offering a lot of offers. So these are all the works available here. You just have to get inside. As you can see, there are hundreds and thousands of tasks available right now when I am recording this video. So there are so many tasks and so many different categories available. So choose which you are really comfortable with, start making money. And this can also be a passive income if you are going to do this when you have free time. And I will also put the link down below in the description box. If you are going to join here, you can use my link, which will be in the description box below. Here there are so many opportunities available right now. I think this is open worldwide. It's internationally accessible, so you can start making money from this website from wherever you are. As far as I know, I'm from India, so I think this is open for Indians. So there is no doubt in that, because I earn money from this website. And if you really like earning money online and more updates on that, try subscribing to this channel, because I will be uploading a lot of videos on this topic. So don't miss out anything. Get your homepage updated with a lot of earning money online ideas and ways. So apart from that, I'll be showing you all the steps and everything. So this is one of those things like website classification, which is nothing but you have to choose what category the website is going to be. So task will be something like that. Isn't that really easy guys? You can do it. So we'll start by signing off. Now you just have to click on register or login if you already have an account. So click register. It will lead you to a page where you have to fill up all your basic details. This is very similar to all the websites out there. We usually used to fill out a lot of details, right guys? So fill up everything. Now after finishing it, click submit, and once you have submitted it, you have the step 2 where you have to verify your email. You'll be getting email verification link. So that is really simple, and I think you guys all know about it. Now my account is verified. I'll be opening it and I'll be showing you. And before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now in the second part of this video, we'll be talking about everything like payment proof and task available. So here guys, this is the dashboard. Once you have signed up, you will be in this page. Make sure you also update the payment verification and payment settings, because that is really important guys. After earning this money, you should be transferring it to your account, right? So the payment method will be like, if you are US resident, you can withdraw it with your bank account, or you can use PayPal account if you are non-US resident or outside US basically. So here are the jobs that are listed here. This will take you really seconds or minutes to complete. There are so many categories available, as you can see, and so many available jobs. So this is my payment proof guys. I have earned around $12, $12.45, and in India you get quite good amount of tasks, but then I heard like you will be getting a lot of tasks if you are from UK or US. I think Canada also, but I'm not sure about it. But US residents will be getting a lot of opportunities and lot of tasks available here. There is also an agreement that you shouldn't expose any of these tasks, so I won't be able to open it and show you how the procedure is. But then, as you can see, there are tons of job available here. You just have to do it. You will be getting paid. As you can see on the right side, it will take around few seconds and it will give you 10 cents or 5 cents. It depends, guys. It depends mostly upon the job difficulty, and you can earn up to $1 or more for some task which is really tough. See, there is one task which is going to take around $2 for you to complete, and the payment threshold will be around $10. But when you are withdrawing it for the first time, you just need $9 because they will be giving you $1 for free for signing up. You can use my link in the description box below. That will also be giving you some extra bonus here. And I have also made a video on another micro working job site, which is Amazon's platform, Amazon MTurk. If you haven't seen that one yet, it will be on the cards above or in the description box below, so you can check that one also. Amazon is the most trusted website, so there is no doubt in that. You can also check that one and earn money from it. And if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. It will be a great motivation, and I think I have covered most of the things that are really important about this website. So start making money, guys. One important and major drawback in this website that I have to tell you is that for getting your first payment, you have to receive a physical mail from micro workers. They'll be sending you a pin code which you have to enter it in this website in your dashboard in order to receive your payment. So for the first time this will be really hard. After activating your payment settings, you will be getting the payment every time, so that will be hassle free. But then first time it is a bit tough. That is the major drawback that I think in this website. And that's all about it, guys. If you have any doubts, comment it below. I'll make sure I answer it as soon as possible. Or even if you don't have any questions, just say a hi. It will be a great way to know about you guys. So yeah, guys, meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.